Hey guys, it's Carrie from Garden Rudiments, and today we're going to be making a sucky pot in a pot. Thank you for visiting my channel today. I've been wanting to do this project for a while. You see this all over Instagram. You see a lot of the succulent YouTubers doing these. I have to do one just because I want one and I just think they're just beautiful. So I've picked out some plants and I'm going to show you what those are and we're going to get started. This is just a variety of plants that I've got out here to use in this arrangement. You can use anything. It's just whatever you have in your head of how you want it to look. So I've tried to pull some things that has a lot of color and then some of my smaller plants. So we'll just get started on this and just see how it goes. I don't have the ability to do an overhead shot, so we're just going to have to do what I can do here and we'll get started on our planting. So I know as my largest plant, and for a big pop of color, this is one that I'm going to use. And I think this is a sedum firestorm. And you may have to work with it till you get it just like you like it. And this is one I've been rooting, and you can see it has a good root base on it. We're going to get it in here like this. And I'm almost going for the look like it would be a tree. And then this is another one that I have, and all of these are either cuttings or leaf propagations that I've taken, and I've been just letting them grow to size. And I want to fill in all the areas, and we want it to look like a flower arrangement. So I might actually have this one coming up a little bit closer to the rim, almost like it's spilling out. And then the same with this. This is a type of sedum.